welcome to my channel. Today we were going to make fire alarm. For that you will need battery connector. First we have to stick it on the board. You can see this, I had stick it. Now we have to take old tubeless starter and open it.
Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no.
As you can see, I had opened it. Now we have to connect our wire with any terminal of the tubeless starter.
Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love.
Now we have to take DC motor. You can see this, I had connected the terminal of DC motor with the battery connector. Now we have to stick the motor. As you can see, I had stick it. Now we have to need one old gear, 2 screw and 2 long screw that you can get from any shop. Now we have to make it. First we have to fix the nut in the gear.
I couldn't stop and say no. It's all same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
As you can see, one side I had connected. Now we have to do another one also, like as same as like this, that first we had done. You can see this, I had connected. Now we have to put long nut inside the screw.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up.
As you can see this, I had made it. Now we have to fix it on the motor.
Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me
You can see this. Now we have to take cycle bell and fix it properly. As you can see this, I had sticked it. Now you have to open it. You can see this, I had stick that nut. Now we have to connect our both wire with motor wire.
It's all the same, some things never change. I couldn't stop and say
Now we have to take it.
it's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up.
I had taken out this because there is no long wire, so
Nobody's
now
gonna
we will
save and
connect it.
oh my, you're my broken
I had connected, now we have to stick it on the board. Now our circuit is ready. Now we have to put the cycle's bell cap on the nut. First we will secure the wire with the help of tape. Now we will fix the cap of cycle's bell. As you can see this. Now we will put cell on the battery connector. As you can see, now we will test it. Hope you like this video, so like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet you in our next video with new topic. Okay, bye.